logic gates, and we're going to see what is actually a logic gate. A logic gate is just a block of hardware that produces logical values, and these logical values are actually 0 or 1, and these values come out depending on the input that was fed to the logic. And these logic gates, there are 3 main logic gates, which are the OR gate, the AND gate, and the NOT gate. Also, logic gates are applied in most of the functions in a computer. Yes, a good example is the CPU, which is the main part of the computer. It's made up of several logic gates. Also, we're going to see there are 3 different notational methods for these logic gates. We actually have the Boolean expressions and the logical diagrams. Logic diagrams, these are just diagrams, and the truth tables, so we're going to see them. Beginning with the Boolean algebra, which involves actually the Boolean expressions or logic functions. It's just an algebraic, just as the name suggests, it's an algebraic notation, which actually this demonstrates the activity of the logic gates. Now, logic diagram, this is just a graphical representation which involves, as you can see, diagrams, involves drawing, whereby these gates are having specific graphical symbols. And when we talk of the truth table, just the name suggests it's just a table. So we can just say it's a pictorial representation of the Boolean expression containing the Boolean variables. So we just draw a table and we involve the values which are actually 0s and 1s. Actually there we just say there are 3 main logic gates, but there are other gates. So here are some of them. There's the AND or NOT, NAND gate, and NOR gate, and exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gate. Beginning with the basic gates, which are the 3 that we said earlier, the AND gate. This AND gate actually it involves logical multiplication. It's known as the logical multiplication. So in here we're just shown the symbol, the circuit symbol of the AND gate, and this is the truth table of the AND gate. Just as we said, it just involves multiplication. So you can see here 0 and 0, that means 0 times 0, we actually get 0, and 0 times 1, you actually get 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1, and the expression will look like that. Okay, moving forward, we see to get the possible number of combination, you just take 2 power n, where actually n is just the number of the possible inputs. When you look at the OR gate, this is just, it involves addition actually. So its symbol is, as you can see it here, over here, and its table is going to be like this. So 0 and 0, 0 or 0, that is 0 plus 0, it just be 0. 0 plus 1, it's just be 1. So the table will just look like that. When we come to the NOT gate, just as the name suggests, it's a NOT gate. It's sometimes referred as to the inverter, because it just inverts the output. So it just says if it's 0, it becomes 1, and 1 it's 0. So its table is just simply like that. It's like its symbol over there, and its expression is just like that. The NAND gate is actually opposite of the AND gate. So we just take the AND gate and invert it, and we get the NAND gate, and its symbol be like that, just like there's 0 there, and the table will just be the opposite of the AND gate, and its expression will just be like that.